Hello everyone, welcome to Jet Caves. Today I'm going to show you a multi billion dollar business model, nothing but a e-commerce store just like Amazon, eBay or Flipkart. I will tell you why I said it is multi billion dollar after the introduction with an example. There is a concept called drop shipping. First let me explain what is drop shipping. Drop shipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the drop shipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. The biggest difference between drop shipping and the standard retail model is that the selling merchant doesn't stock or own inventory. Instead, the seller purchases inventory as needed from a third party, usually a wholesaler or manufacturer, to fulfill orders. When somebody needs to start an online business site, there is a decent amount of chance that he or she will discover Shopify.com. Presently, it isn't just an e commerce hosting website. However, you can do significantly more in the event that you know your craving way. Shopify associates with several dropshippers by means of applications that automate each progression, making it the speediest, simplest, and most economical approach to dispatch an e commerce business. Let me introduce Greta Van Riel. She is the founder of Skinny Me Tea. She started dropshipping with $24 and became billionaire in a short period of time. After Skinny Me Tea, she started 5 other startups. She recognized as 30 under 30 in 2018 by Forbes. She has 16 million combined followers in Instagram. With her startup named the Fifth Watches, she achieved $1 million sales in a single day. So that's why I said it is a multi billion dollar business model. For dropshipping, you need a minimum amount of $100 to $500 budget. We will start our website on Shopify platform. We get 90 days free trial with Shopify. After 90 days, we will be charged $30 a month for a basic plan. We have to register a domain name with a domain name provider. I can choose GoDaddy for domain registration. Follow my steps to start your website from zero to complete dropshipping e-commerce website on Jet Caves.